Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Mushaf. Today our topic is about making of posters or poster with the help of different images like its proper placing, sequencing, how to make them with proper distancing, with a background if required. Like I am going to take the image of Kyle Storm. In this image I don't want this car. For that first we will set this guy. For that I'm going to use pixelation tool which is located in toolbar here. In toolbar, fourth option or fourth tool, click or right click on it, pixelation tool. Click once in sky. Again, for more selection, again click. Yeah, yep. As you can see that we don't want this part. For that we will click or press Alt plus click once. Here you can see that I have selected this sky. Now we will give mask. For that we will click option add a mask. Add a vector mask basically here. Now click or now press Ctrl plus I to invert the image. Is to invert the untidy or rough edges, we will use select and mask option. For that, we will go in menu bar and will choose the option select. Click it. Then we will go on or click or go on, and then we will select and mask option and short key is Alt plus Ctrl plus R. We will click it. In this image, first mark or check the smart radius, then increase slowly increase the radius. Slowly. Okay. In this image, my smoothness or this image, its its smoothness will be 0, feather will be 0.0, contrast 0%, and shift edges a bit. Wait, I will put it 20 minus plus 25. Okay. Down in output settings, we will use or we will check decontaminate colors. Click it, and the amount will be 100. Click on OK. Here we got our new image. Now we are going to copy it. For that we will go in layer panel and click on option button or option icon. Click it once. Then go in duplicate layer. If you want to give it name, you can, but I leave at default. Where you want to copy it, the source or the document, we'll copy it in untitled 1. Click OK. As you can see that we got our image or we copy it. For zoom out, we are going to use Control plus minus. To resize the image, press Ctrl T to transform. Now we select upper corner junction. This node is known as junction, and then hold shift button and drag it slowly. Shift and plus, sorry. Slowly. Adjust it according to yourself. Press or click enter. For now I'm gonna press Ctrl 0 to fit the image according to screen. According to me, right now this image is good. If I want to edit or if I want to again resize it, again I'm gonna press Ctrl T. Again Shift plus Alt. Click or press enter. Now we are going to edit our second image. It is Minecraft house. And yeah, one more thing. Each and every image that I have chosen or I am editing, these all are taken from Google Chrome. Minecraft house. In this image, in this case, I'm going to use Magic Wand tool. Under the quick selection tool, Magic Wand tool. I'll click it once. As you can see that it's this part of image is not settled. For that, first we will zoom. For zoom in, I'm gonna use Z, and I'm gonna make selection, or you can also click once, twice. Now again, I'm gonna use magic wand tool. For more selection, I'm gonna or we gonna press shift once. Okay. Here, here we selected the image. Control 0. Now we are going to give mask by clicking add mask option. Again, Control I for invert. In this case, I'm not gonna use slide and mask because there is the because wait a minute, because edges are smooth. A bit it wants, but it is okay. Control 0. Now again we are going to copy it. Go to layer panel, click option button, duplicate layer. Again give source untitled one. Click OK. OK. Go. Control minus to zoom out. Control T for transform. Size it. Again press Shift Alt and resize it. Control 0. Click enter. As you can see that this part is looking a bit untidy. Zoom in. Use eraser tool. Its short key is E. And rub it. To increase or decrease the size of eraser, we are going to use curly bracket right or left or square bracket. Right bracket, right square bracket or right curly bracket is used to increase the size. You can increase it. Just copy it in untitled one. Again the same process. Go to layer panel, option button, click duplicate layer, get the source, click OK. Untitled one, control plus minus to minimize it, control plus T to transform image. Again we are going to set it. Press shift alt and decrease it, or sorry, drag it. Control 0. As you can see that if I increase this landscape one, it hides the guy's tomb. For that, I'm gonna take the for that I'm gonna drag it under the guy's tomb. Now I'm gonna resize it a bit, not much. Oh, yes, now it looks good. Press enter or return. As you can see that this part of image is very untidy or very rough. For that I'm gonna give it mask. Click add a mask option, then go to brush tool or press B in your keyboard. Increase the size. Select one. I'm gonna use soft round brush. Click once, hold shift and click twice. Again click once, shift, press shift, click twice. I'm gonna increase its size. As you can see that it's giving a bit faded effect. Close this. It looks good. I'm gonna do it again with Minecraft house. Press Ctrl Z, or sorry, press Z, only Z. Zoom in. Again, press B. Decrease the size. Click once, and yeah, for giving credit effect, remember always to select the mask, not the image. Select the mask. Press Shift. Click. Yes. Control 0. This is our fourth image. In this case, I'm not using this quick selection tool or magic wand tool. Again, I'm gonna copy it. Press go in layer option. Click option button. Duplicate layer. Give source. Click OK. Go in untitled one. Press Control minus. Control T for transform. Again, resize it. Drag it under the background copy or the landscape one because it's sky. Control 0. Control minus. Yep. Again, let me adjust it. Wait, shift. Yes. Press enter. As you can see that this part of curve works with highlights. In lower side of curve works with only in shadows, and left side will works with flow or filled, or we can say the quality or quantity of image. I don't right now I'm going to edit only guys down. For that I'm gonna press Alt and click in the middle of Storm. Now if I edit anything, it only works with guys one. Slowly increase the. I think this is looking good. This looks good. Last image. For that, I'm gonna use quick selection tool or magic wand tool. Click once. Again. Yes. Again, we are going to give mask. Press Ctrl I to invert. Yeah. As you guys can see that this part of image is looking a bit untidy, yeah, or harsh looking. Again, press Ctrl 0. We will go in select and mask. Remember, shortcut keys, again I'm saying, shortcut keys Alt plus Control plus R. Click it. Slowly, again check the smart radius. Slowly increase the radius. According to me, 10 pixel is best. Good. Let me see smoothness. Smoothness is 100. I'm done. And feather is 0.0. Contrast a bit. Now let me see. Contrast will be 0.0%. Shift edges a bit. For that, I'm shift edges is -20. Again, we are going to select or check decontaminate colors. Radius should be, amount should be 100%. Click OK. Much better. See before and after. See before and after. Again, we are going to copy it. Go to layer panel, duplicate layer, set the source, one, click OK. Go to untitled one, Control minus, press Control T. Again press Shift and Alt. Okay. It works like moon. Press Control 0. Oh, wait. press V, sorry, press enter. Yep. Guys, it is the last result. If you want to add test, you can go in toolbar, click test or 100 test, click once. I'm going to give it name poster. Click move tool, Control T, increase the size. It is our last result. As you can see that it's looking very confusing. Or you want to add a group, you can. Oh sorry, you can place a group. Press Shift, Control G for group. Here we go. Please like, share my video and subscribe my channel and click on bell icon and make sure it is on all option for more videos or my latest updates. Thank you.